Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can effectively track and analyze website data. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You need two tabs for this, so we will open another one. On the first tab, we need to go to tagmanager.google.com. And on the second tab, analytics.google.com. Now on the Google Tag Manager, make sure that you add these tags to your website on every page. For head, it should be this. And for body, it should be this. Copy and paste it on your website. To check it, just click on Preview. This will appear. Here you will add your website's URL and click Connect. After doing this, close it by clicking the X button. Now we will go to the Google Analytics. Click on Start Measuring to create a new account. Now after clicking, you need to provide a name. After that, scroll down and hit Next. Now provide your property name. Now choose these options according to your own preferences and hit Next. Here, it will ask about your business details. Choose your industry category. For this video, I will choose Arts and Entertainment. And now your business size. Once you are done, click Next. Now we will provide business objectives. You can choose more than one, so choose wisely. Now, click on Create. A pop-up will appear. It is the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Click the checkbox and hit I accept. After that, you will have to connect a platform to start collecting your data. You have options here. You can have web, Android app, or iOS app. In this tutorial, I will choose web. Then provide the URL of your website here. On the stream name, I'm going to put it again. Now, click Create Stream. After doing so, you will be taken in the web stream details. Now, copy your measurement ID because we will need it later. We will go back to Google Tag Manager. On the Google Tag Manager, navigate and find tags. Click it. On the right side, you will see New. Click on it. Now, enter a name for this particular tag. I will type GA for example. And after that, click on Tag Configuration. Here you can select GA Configuration. Now, paste the copied measurement from before. After that, we need to click Triggering. And then click on All Pages. Then, we need to click Save. Click on Submit. And click Publish. After that, click Continue. And we are done. Congratulations! You have successfully connected Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. Now you can leverage the power of Google Analytics to gain valuable insights into your website's performance while enjoying the flexibility and ease of management provided by Google Tag Manager. Thank you for watching!